Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna tell you how to record meetings in Zoom and how to allow participant to record meeting in Zoom. A lot of people were asking me this question, so today I'm gonna tell you how to do it. Stick around, I'll show you how. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as I upload informative videos every week. First you will open the Zoom app. And then in Zoom app you will locate the participant tab here on the right side. If you don't find this participant tab, you will simply click on this participant. You see, if you don't see this participant tab here, it disappeared. So if I click it again, you will get it back. So for some reason, if it's not there, you can get it. Now if you want to record video by yourself, simply click on this record button.
Recording in progress.
And then if I click again,
Recording stopped.
It will stop. So today's video is about how to allow participant to record the meeting or video. So I'll be telling that only host can allow the participant to record the meeting. So I'm being the host, I can allow the participants. So to do so, I'll see which participants I want to allow. So I will just, for example, I want this participant Maarks to allow to record the audio. So I'll just click on more. And then there's an option allow to record local files. I simply click on this, and then this participant can record the video of this meeting easily. If someone is using a mobile phone, then I cannot allow. For example, this Muhammad Abdullah Khan is using a mobile phone. So if I click on more, you can see there is no option to allow to record. So recording can only be done when you are using a laptop. Whether you are a host or you are a participant, the recording can only be done if you are using a laptop.